All right, guys, in this video here, we're going to be going through and I'm going to be teaching you how to use Trello for your client appreciation calendar. If you haven't already done the Trello video on using Trello for your to-do list and your today list, make sure to watch that one first because in that video, I teach you how to actually set up the Trello account and how to create boards and lists. So if you haven't done that, do that first because with this video, we're starting straight off with everything's basically made for you here. So what I've done already is I've gone through and I've taken the client appreciation calendar, the PDF that we've given you, and put it into Trello here. What I've done is I've created the lists for every month all the way up until the month 12. Okay, so this is your first full year that client is with you. So let's go through each one of the lists first, and then I'll walk you through kind of how you should be using it. So month one, after this new client signed up, you should be mailing them a thank you card for joining your gym. Again, also that month, you should be sending out a good job text. So this text can have whatever you'd like to put into it. I just put a basic good job. So all we're doing is we're basically sending them a text message telling them, that they, hey, you're doing a great job. Okay. All of the text messages that we go through, you're going to see that there's quite a few text messages on here. What I suggest you doing is setting up a text campaign within Scipio. If you're not using Scipio, then make sure to check out the preferred vendor page and sign up with them. It's going to make this calendar a hell of a lot easier for you. As soon as they sign up, you would actually start them through the Scipio campaign, and within that month one, they'd be getting this text automatically. Now, going on to month two. Month two, I want you to take a good photo of this new client training with you and tag them on social media. So as you can see, I don't need a tag on social media and tag. So training photo and tag them on social media. The whole point of that is so that their friends and family can see where they're training at and that they're being recognized by you. So they would possibly want to come in and train with you. Okay, also month two, they're also getting another text. How's everything going text? Again, part of your Scipio campaign that it fires on once they've been with you for 2 months. Boom, this fires out to them. So basically just checking in with them. Hey, how's everything going? Are you enjoying yourself? That's basically it. Okay, so just how's everything going? Also in month two, if you're gonna give out free t-shirts, I suggest you doing it. It's great branding. During month two, I would suggest you sending their free t-shirt out to their house as well. Month three, another good job text. Again, don't say the same thing over and over again. Just say good job in another way, okay, within this text message. Again, set up within their Scipio campaign. Month four, send them a gift card. So what I suggest here is that you get $10 gift cards from any of the local businesses that you currently work with in your neighborhood, and hopefully you get them for free. This is what I used to do. Is basically you're promoting them by sending out their $10 gift cards, and usually you can get them for free. And then all you're going to send in those out to your client's house, and pretty simple. Okay, so that's month four. Month four, they're also getting the how can we do better text. So just a text message saying, hey, how can we make my gym better, and ask them for advice. Again, set up in the Scipio campaign. Month five, I would do a client highlight story. So talk about how this person has succeeded, have they reached their goals. If they haven't really reached their goals, then just talk about how well they've been doing. So just say something nice about the client. And again, post it on social media and then tag that client. Same purpose, again, so their friends and family can see it and possibly want to come in and sign up with you. Month six, you're revisiting their fitness goals, so you should be setting up a goal-setting meeting with that client by month six and revisiting to see, have you reached your goals? Have you not reached your goals? And if you haven't reached your goals, let's figure out why and fix it. Or if you have reached your goals, it's time to set new fitness goals. Next up, month seven, another good job text. So again, word it however you would like. Again, that should be in your Scipio campaign. Month eight, mail the We Appreciate You card. So this is an actual, just like your thank you card, you're mailing another card just saying we appreciate your business and thank them for being a part of your gym. Month 9, are we taking good care of you text? Again, part of your Scipio campaign. Month 10, another good job text. It's part of your Scipio campaign. Month 11, it's almost been a year text. So basically reminding them, hey, it's almost been a year. You can say, hey, we've got something, special planned for you once you've hit that year marker. You just got to wait and see what we've got planned for you. And then once you hit month 12, okay, month 12, you're going to present your client with a 1-year trophy plaque, or a lot of our guys are doing the challenge coins. Okay, whatever you want to present them with, but present them with something, okay, that makes it a big deal that they've been with you a year. You're going to take pictures of that. You could even do a video of you presenting this stuff to them, and then again, post those pictures and videos on social media and tag that client. Last thing we've got for the year is revisit their fitness goals again. So you can see that at month 6 and month 12, you're revisiting the fitness goals. Now let's go back to the beginning. And so let's walk through how you're going to do this. So Joe Blow, okay, signs up this month on the 1st. Okay, so I know that again, this text is going to automatically fire that month. So when it does, I'm going to take this client, I'm going to move him over to this, and then I'm going to edit. And I'm going to say he received this on 5/15. Boom, I saved it. Okay, same thing with here. So as soon as I know that this client has received that text message, they move over to the next column, okay, and we change it. Boom, here we go. Okay, same thing with Ricky Ranger here. All right, so we're going to edit that, and again, all I'm going to do is I'm going to continue editing the dates as this client moves along the client appreciation calendar. So after this, by month 2, I know I'm going to have to take a look at that client and go, okay, it's been 5/15. I need to, and it's now 6/15. The date changes, maybe, if I actually hit save. Boop, save. So I know that it's been a month, so I need to get that person's training photo and social media. So if you're a one-man show, then you're going to be handling this yourself. If you have an admin, a manager, or somebody else that works for you, I suggest you handing this job off to them, and it's their job to track your social media. Or social media, their job to track the client appreciation calendar. That's the beauty of using Trello. You can jump on here and check this at any time to make sure that these clients are being followed up with, especially with the dates here. Okay, if it's into July and I see that we still have clients that have been sitting in the month client appreciation calendar for over 2 months now, I'm gonna get on that person's ass and be like, what the hell's going on? Okay. So this is how you're going to use Trello with your client appreciation calendar. If you have any question on this stuff, you know where to find me.